Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
Hey, I'm looking at these two Philips espresso machines, both renewed. The 3200 series, EP 3241/74, and the 4400 series, EP 4447/90. What do you think?
Okay, interesting. Both are Philips, both renewed, and both super-automatic espressos. Right off the bat, the 4400 seems to offer more in terms of coffee variety.
Yeah, the 3200 boasts 5 coffee types, including iced coffee, which is cool. But the 4400 claims a whopping 12 hot and iced coffees? That's a significant difference.
Definitely. And it looks like both use the LatteGo system for milk frothing, which is supposed to be super easy to clean.
Yeah, the easy cleaning is a big plus for me. The 3200 mentions a fully removable brew group for easy rinsing. Does the 4400 have that too?
It doesn't specifically say that, but it highlights how fast the LatteGo system cleans. Just 2 parts. Rinse in 10 seconds. It also says its milk system can go in the dishwasher.
Nice. What about the grinders? Are they the same?
Both mention 100% ceramic grinders, which is good for durability. But the 4400 lets you fine-tune the grind with 12 settings, from fine to coarse. The 3200, I don't see anything about adjustable grind settings.
Okay, adjustable grind is a good feature. Any other major differences?
The 4400 boasts quick start for faster coffee and an intuitive color display. The 3200 doesn't have a color display. Also, it looks like the 4400 is newer, being released in November 2024, while the 3200 came out in late 2022.
Ah, so the 4400 is probably a more updated model. Speaking of new, this Philips 3200 is being sold as renewed by Household Gear. And, the 4400 is also renewed, sold by Amazon. The 3200 is around $600. Do we know the price of the 4400?
Right now, the 4400 isn't available through Amazon, but Household Gear has it at $799.
So the 4400 is pricier and unavailable, but it has more features and is newer. Thanks for the breakdown. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.